Hello, I'm with you again and in darkness again because no electric power in my place. But hope this power that left will be enough to create and produce and to load this video because this video may be helpful to you. It will show how to cut blank rows, how to create a filter. Basically, it's a filter which will filter out all blank rows of your data, and we will use column condition, single column condition, which will be true if each of these equals blank row. And we will do this with BYROW function. I will type by, select BYROW from here. My array will be this, and next click comma and lambda, not large, lambda. Hit tab to autocomplete lambda, and R is the only option, the only parameter in this lambda because we use BYROW. What this BYROW will do, it will iterate over each row of this data, and it will bring as one row of data, for instance row number 5, inside a loop as one parameter. So I can work with rows as different objects and one by one. It's very good because now I can do something like join everything. Just use join this function with I use this empty text to join with empty text as a delimiter. Next comma, and my array, guess what? It will be just R, just this parameter R, which we defined earlier. So if I say R here, then I need to add extra R here too, because this is my named parameter. I may forgotten about clothing parentheses, but even if I just type hit enter on my keyboard, it will do. Oh, I see some extra bold. I don't need it to be bold. Okay. Now you see, it's that simple. Can't believe it. With new Lambda and friends, now functions became that simple. And also, I want to check if it is empty. Okay, then I will just add empty string again and equal sign join R. And you see, false, 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 true. Where that's empty. I want not empty because my filter will be simpler in that way. This less and greater signs together will give me not equals, and I click. Now I have true for field values and false for blank, and all I have left to do is to make a filter. Filter is also a function, and guess what? We can do this with a filter. We can use this column as condition. So if I type field, I got this filter. I click, hit tab to autocomplete. My range will remain the same, like that, comma, and just Control V to paste my initial formula and enter. Wow, now I have the same range, and look at that beauty. Here, link to my CodeTables website, and the link works here too. Wow, that's very nice. Also, you see this object, this sparkline results work just fine. And also, I'm pretty sure that I can add even image inside here. Let's add an image of corn. I will insert image, insert in cell, and look for Google images for a corn image. Images like from Google. I want to find corn. Okay, please. Not Corvette, corn. Here are some beautiful images of corn, and I don't know, which one do you like? Let be that one. Okay, click insert, and now you will see this image of corn inside this cell. I guess it will work fine. And you see, just because filter function supports that, Even your image will be completely fine with this function, so image will go to the function result. Final step is to create named function. No problem. Copy this, Control C. Use this cut blank rows my name for main function. Data named functions. I will put my face in another place. Add new function. Well, call it later. Next, do this. Click here and name it range or data. I love the word data because it's very uh, like a common term. Yeah, data is for range and for arrays also, because you can also use arrays, not only ranges. We will see it very soon. Okay, description later. Next, this also later, because I already have it in my collection, code tables of collection of named function, and you may see how many of them. Okay, now I have cut blank rows function, I guess, if I did not miss anything. Cut blank rows, here it is. And of course, I can use arrays, as I said. Behind that, some text, behind them, some empty, and behind them, some hooray. Okay, I've finished my array. You see these curly brackets? Click enter, and only field value will appear. I've created it like array on the fly, but usually you only need data from range, so of course we can repeat this operation here. If we select this range, and we can use open range from B5 to H without number in the end, and result is fine. And you see, if I type something below, it won't break because it deleted, cut it, all blank rows. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.